Hey, the sun is scorching and you need to stay refreshed all the time. Let us show you how we stay refreshed with our SUYALICIOUS watermelon recipe. Wash your watermelon, cut it into half, and then dice the fleshy bit. Just put it on the side and do not throw the outer greener bit away because I'm going to show you how to make a detox drink out of the outer green. To make a detox drink out of the outer green, just cut the green into pieces, add maybe some orange and extra fruit, blend it up with some ginger as well, and there you go, that is your detox drink. Once you're ready with the diced up watermelon, just stick some sticks in there. I am using toothpick and the SUYALICIOUS is on the side. Look at how delicious that is. This is so refreshing. You're going to love it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. You can see my watermelon drink and then the detox drink on the side. I have got the link in the bio. Go buy your product as well. Stay refreshed.